morning, guys.
Good morning, teacher.
Take your seats. Let's begin our today's new theme. Guys, before beginning our today's theme, I want to ask you about previous lesson. How do you understand previous lesson? How do you coherence about last our lesson? So my first question is will be about fear and stress. What is the stress? Who wants to answer? Diana, please.
Stress is a state of psychological and physical tension in response of external influences.
Good, thank you. Okay, so is it bad for you? Okay, Guzat.
Of course, this is bad. I don't want to stress it. I don't like negative.
Thank you very much. Guys, your understanding about previous lesson is very well. I'm so glad to hear your answers. So you should guess today's theme by answering the question also. So my first question, what is the phobia? Jansaya, please.
Phobia and unreasonable fear of something.
Good. What do you know about spiders? Is it an insect? Is it an insect? Anna, please.
A spider isn't an insect, it's an arachnid.
Okay. So guys, what about today's theme? According to we ask about spiders, we ask about phobia, and our today's theme will be
About
arachnophobia. Yes, fear of spiders. So please look at the blackboard. I want to introduce you with learning objectives, then lesson objectives, and with assessment criteria. Okay, today, according to learning objectives, we have 3 lesson objectives. So the first one, apply subject-specific vocabulary, recognize the author's purpose and style of the text, and identify the main idea of this text. So, according to the lesson objectives, we have assessment criteria. And assessment criteria applies specific vocabulary, identifies the main idea, answers the questions, and recognize the author's purpose and style. So, before beginning our today's new theme and to introduce with new words, you have write down all new words translation at home. So today I will give you the definition of our today's new words. Please, let's read some of them. Asya, can you read the definition of the words crowd?
Crowd, to move slowly and low to the ground.
So we are introduce all this definition of these words. Then I want to introduce you with the first task. Our first task is fill in gaps. You should write all your comments in a Padlet board, and the descriptor for this task is complete the sentence, tell the definition of the words, and translate all full sentence. Okay? Is it clear for you?
Yes.
And this task will be self-assessment, please. So you can write in a Padlet board. Okay, time is over, guys. I have seen a lot of comments from my blackboard.
A lot of people suffer from arachnophobia. They sweat each time they see a spider. A definition is the word suffer from to be badly affected something and sweating profusely. And translate көптеген адамдар арахнофобиядан зардап шегіп отыр және олар өрмекшіні көрген сайын терлейді.
Well, thank you. So the second group, Mulder, it's your comments.
Most spider predators venom, but 1% can harm people. The definition in the word venom is poison. Барлық өрмекшілерде у болады, бірақ оның 1% ғана адамдарға қауіпті болады.
Thank you. Okay, according to the first task, you should assess yourself. Please, Jansulu.
I give myself 3 points because I can complete the sentence and I can find definition of the word and I can translate the sentence.
So the next task, guys, before doing the next task, I want to show you a video about arachnophobia. Please look at the blackboard.
Phobia. What happens when you see a spider? Not alone. Fear of spiders. 3% of people avoid spiders at all costs, refusing to. But like most phobias,
Guys, the next task, think, search, find and tell. You should divide, we are dividing into two groups. It will be group work. The first group should be read and answer the question, the first and the second question, and identify the author's purpose and then explain reason. It's task for the first group. The second group, you should be read the text and answer the fourth and the third question. Identify the style of the text and give reason. I give you 3 minutes for. Okay, stop working. Time is over, guys. So let's begin from the first group. The first descriptor was understand the text and answer the questions. The first questions, who want to answer in your group? Please, Asya.
How do some people react when they see spiders? Some people get so scared that their hair stands up.
Okay. The second question, who want to answer? Please, Maulish.
Why is the phobia unreasonable? This phobia is unreasonable because very few spiders are dangerous to people.
Okay, thank you very much. So, what about author's purpose? Who wants to answer for this question? Please, Alina.
Author proposed to explain how to deal with the phobia.
Okay. And the last descriptor, who wants to give reasoning? Please, Amel.
He wants to help other people who suffers of arachnophobia.
Excellent, good job. The second group, what about your task? Who wants to answer the third question? Sabina, please.
What do people in different cultures think of spiders? In some cultures, they are not afraid of spiders at all. For example, in Cambodia, spiders are street snakes.
Excellent, good job, thank you very much. Next question. For the first question, who wants to answer the first question? Aydin, maybe you?
Why might someone try to express their if fear of spiders badly affects someone's life, they should try expression therapy.
Okay, thank you very much. So, who want identify the style? Diana?
Style of the text informal.
Good, very good. And do you want to give reason for that?
This text is informal because it uses shortness, modern, and understandable words.
Okay, thank you very much for your works. So, let's assess each other. It will be a group assessment. So, from this group, who want to assess the next group? Transfer, please.
I give them 3 points because they can read the text and answer the questions, can identify the style, and can give reasons.
Okay, and you give
3 points.
3 points. Thank you very much. So the second group, who want to assess the first group? Diana, please.
I give in first group 3 points because they are read the text and answer the question first and second in exercise 4 and identify the author's propose and gives reasons.
Thank you very much. The third task of today's theme will be pair work. The method of matching. You should match each paragraph with their headings and identify the main idea of each paragraph and find extra headings. Here you can see descriptors of this task. Please, it will be pair work. Works in a pair. Okay guys, stop working, time is over.
The heading of the first paragraph, a very common fear. And extra heading, extreme solution.
The main idea is to explain what arachnophobia is and how relevant it is in the world.
Answer for the second paragraph. And Gulzar, please come here.
The hitting of second spider is B. Why so afraid? And extra hitting is extreme solution. The main idea of this paragraph is proof that arachnophobia is irrational.
Good, thank you very much. Okay, thank you for your pair works.
I want to assess Ahmet and Jansaya. I give the 3 points because they can match the heading with the paragraph. They can find the extra heading. They can identify the main idea of each paragraph.
Guys, for conclusion, our today's theme, I want play with you Kahoot. Let's play Kahoot. And I want to check your understanding for today's lesson and how do you understand today's vocabulary, how do you can use of them, okay? Okay guys, let's change your points into the marks. How many points have you got? Please mark in your sheet of papers, yes? Then change your marks, points in your marks. Okay guys, if you have finished to put your points, Anna, please, how many points have you got?
I have 9 points.
9 points, okay, thank you very much. And from these groups, Sabina, how many points?
I have 5 points.
5 points. Okay, guys, today's lesson is over. Thank you for your attention.